The exit statement was enhanced in COBOL 5.2 to support 3 new formats, one of which is exit paragraph. That is the topic for this video. This is dinosaur parkour, faster, better, mainframe programming. I'm Chris P. Fried. Since support has been withdrawn for COBOL 5, I'm going to reference COBOL 6 when talking about exit paragraph. In COBOL 4.2 and prior, one had to use 2 paragraphs and the go-to statement to implement the return early coding pattern. Some folks argue that the use of go-to in any fashion violates structured programming. Perform some-paragraph through some-exit define a single entry point and exit point. The go-to only jumps to its own paragraph, thus I do not think it violates the end goal of structured coding. While this pattern can be used in COBOL 6, there is another option, exit paragraph. This is what the Enterprise COBOL 5.2 Migration Guide says about it. The exit paragraph statement provides a structured way to exit without using a go-to statement. This example performs a single paragraph as seen on line 16. Line 23 uses exit paragraph to leave the single paragraph. To be precise, it jumped to the return point, which is generated when the compiler encounters the period on line 28. When the exit paragraph statement is used, the compiler ensures that the scope of the jump is to leave the paragraph in which it is coded, whereas with a go-to, the programmer has to make sure that an out-of-scope jump is not done. Yeehaw! Now we can implement a standard that states that Perform Thru cannot be used because performing multiple paragraphs is a bad thing. Not so fast. Just because a paragraph is created to be an exit paragraph does not mean it has to be empty. Consider this example. Line 24 and 25 add the name of the paragraph to the end of a list. Perform A, add it to the list. Perform B, add it to the list. Perform paragraph C, add it to the list. Exit paragraph C, remove it from the list. The not empty exit paragraph performs the logic on line 34 to remove the paragraph name from the list. This is a paragraph trace. It is a debugging/research technique that I have seen. If this program abends or needs to log something, it is able to show the paragraph trace in the message. I like this and I've used it a couple of times. The perform some paragraph through some exit pattern is ideal for something like this. Although there are 3 places where the exit paragraph occurs, the code to remove the paragraph name from the list is executed. Line 5 and 6 add the name of the paragraph to the list. Lines 7 through 9 can trigger an early return. If one of those tests fails, the exit paragraph statement is used to jump to the exit, where line 15 ensures that the paragraph name is removed from the list for all situations, the 3 return early point, and after the main paragraph completes successfully. This is COBOL's version of a finally clause for paragraph. Due to this, I am not totally ready to outlaw perform 2 paragraphs just because IBM implemented the exit paragraph statement. I know some programmers think the perform some paragraph through some exit styles should be banned. I still continue to think both styles have a place and should be allowed by coding standards. The exit paragraph statement gives me a way to implement the return early pattern without needing to use 2 paragraphs and the go-to, so I'm able to use the perform single paragraph style more often. However, If I am forced to pick between the two styles to be a standard, I lean toward the Perform Some-Paragraph Thru Some-EXIT because it offers more flexibility. The example on the screen is the main reason why. It allows one to implement finally action in the exit paragraph. In other words, it allows you to do stuff in the primary paragraph, such as acquiring memory or updating a trace table, etc., and the exit paragraph handles the cleanup. Thank you for watching.